This the only thing that matters. How she get back up there in the question?
She got you on that one, Tonio.
Oh, man.
Wait, like you said, she pushed it out.
I'm sorry. I'm just, she jumped.
All right, Cody.
She jumped like 4 people.
I see you, Cody.
She stand up here and talk to you.
And then next thing you know, she be in front of you.
Sure.
We hit the cap game. We hit the
Alright, y'all
cap
fucking
game.
around now.
Ooh, nasty. Nice one. Come on, Eddie. Get one in.
Yeah, it's not here.
That's where you draw the line. That's the line. Draw the line. Beverage. I got an idea where about good.
Okay, like hey.
Damn it! I have to bring my banana.
Crazy.
Oh, good fun.
I know. I was like, where? What do I drop?
1 minute. Hey, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's go. Ease them up on girls. Ease them up on girls. Go tripping ball. Let's go. Bring it in.
Oh my.
Yo. No, don't feel a butterfly. I will tell you when to start. I don't have any
Yeah, that's mine. CPAs can't dance.
Base coaches, be loud. Everybody on the sideline.
CPAs can't dance. They can count money, but that's about everybody else here.
They don't want to.
They're
Let our fixers do what they're supposed to do. We'll give you signs, and you got to feel. Listen to me. You got to feel. Tell us and do it. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. We're going to win 3 in a row. We're going to have rings. 3 out.
nice.
Lock in. Trust your teammates. Lock in. Trust your teammates. Think you break it down.
Triple balls. I need triple balls on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Triple balls.
She said chicken balls.
Ain't nobody got on her. She said on me.
I was touching. Actually, no. Somebody else touched me and they can go 1. Hey, somebody in the bottom half of the lineup, please take 1.
Yoing, yoing, yoing.
Peter, Ian, Meg. Peter, Ian, Meg. What? I thought you meant like you were waiting.
All right, coach. Coach, you good?
Yeah, we're good. Go ahead.
Time is officially starting. Time is officially starting.
Go!
Tony,
new game. Keep play our game. It's a new game. Hey, who? Hey, we got.
What? Kick her ready. Kick her up. Get there. Come on, baby.
Hey, yeah, 102. 102.
Let's go in. Two down.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, good shit. Let's go, Meg.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I hear it.
I'm not mad at that.
No, she wants to establish. She wasn't established either. So. I think that's her tool.
Good fun.
I love it.
I love it. Oh, yo.
I love it.
No,
Hey, come on.
yeah, Peter. Yeah, Peter.
Keep playing.
Yes, sir, man. Good fucking fun. Let's go, Cody.
Hey, let's go. Get it out here. Come
Hey,
on.
good shit, Pete. Yo.
Hey, we need it out. Hey, he still will bunt.
We'll take the points. Yo, there we go. Hey, you gonna keep trying that. Hey, Cody, good fun, bro.
Hey, Cece, if it comes to you, watch the run at 3.
Go, man.
Come on, get in.
Hey, Aaron. Hey, good shit. Hey, good
Oh,
job.
you okay?
Hey, be careful.
Be careful.
Well, she started late. She was a little wind-up car, a little late to the game, and they took off. Yes, sir.
2 outs. One more.
Let's go, Patsy, your world, baby.
Yo, bring it back.
No, double. He called double. Double kick.
Get that box. Hey. Hey, Coach, how many you got coming in?
I think we got 3.
Yes, sir. Ian score.
Let's get it back. Hey, we warmed up now. We in the 3. 4-2.
Okay.
Hey, Cal, get on the score, baby.
Yes, perfect. Hey, Chris, get your 3 in. Get your 3 in.
If you get on, you can score. No. Are you a pitcher?
Hey, let's go, Trippin. You can, but it's gonna count as one. Get you one more.
Your first baseman wasn't even ready.
You gotta have hard hitting that. I know.
I love giving other teams help.
You locked in, let's go.
when I can.
Let's go, Trippin, let's
Especially
go.
the crybaby teams. It's all fun.
Kick her up, kick her up.
But oh my God, the crybaby teams, they just turn me up. Like,
You heard me earlier, right? Like, I'm authorizing.
put on wrestling.
50% effort.
I got you.
Good.
Yeah.
You know what that means, right? Maybe I have to be I gotta sell it. I gotta sell it.
Number 3!
Hey, yes, sir!
There you go, Matt. That's what we're talking about right there. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Shake it off. Cover 3. Cover 3. Who's covering 3?
I am not on you. So you gotta go deep.
Cover.
Soft or slow. Are they playing inside? Go on.
Hey, delayed punt.
Yep.
One bound, girl.
Can I kick them?
No, that's been wasting out.
Whatever you want. Don't let him tell you what to do. Here you go. I'm not trying to start shit over here.
Nice job.
Oh, there. Nothing. All right, we got one out. Roll me up, coach. I'm bringing it in.
Back to regular. Cody, hold
Roll me up, coach. I'm bringing it in.